Welcome back, everybody. Robert with Occupancy Boost. Today I'm going to talk about the Booking.com preferred program. There's not a lot of good information on the internet about the program, so I'm going to run through the details of the program, how it works for properties, what it takes for them to join, what it costs, and if it's a good idea or a bad idea for your property to join. Stay tuned. I'm going to switch screens and show you guys all about the preferred program with Booking.com. Okay, I'm in the Booking.com Extranet, obviously, and the section I'm in to find the preferred partner program is this right under here under Boost Performance, this tab Boost Performance. And I've done, videos on quite a few of the sections of this Boost Performance tab. I've done the Opportunity Center. I've also done the Genius Partner Program, and now we're going to look at the Preferred Partner Program. So if you want to watch these two videos on how to get your performance of your hotel increased through Opportunity Center and Genius Partner Program, go through my suite of videos and take a look at those. I just shot those recently. So today we're focused on the Preferred Partner Program. So this is the page where you find out if you're eligible for the Preferred Partner Program. So first of all, you have to be eligible to join this. Your property needs to be eligible. And I'm going to scroll down and show you guys what the parameters are here in just a second. But you can see in the left-hand side here, it kind of tells you a little bit about the program. And it tells me right off the bat, and I know for a fact this hotel's very close to being able to join the program. And when they do become eligible, we're definitely going to join, and I'm going to tell you why. But right now, you can see it says you're not currently eligible to join. It tells you a little bit about the program. It says the program is open to our top 30% of our partners. So only 30% of the hotels that are listed online are eligible to join this program. And currently your criteria scores are a little low. So they have certain criteria that you have to follow in order to be in the program. It says this just may be temporary, blah, blah, blah. So you can find out more about the Preferred Partner Program by clicking on this link. I'm going to review that stuff, but if you guys want to find out more about it, obviously you can click on that and read more after you watch my video. Scroll down here a little bit, and it tells you a little bit more in depth of how the program works and what it's about. So I'll let you guys read through this. I'm not going to really read through this word for word for you guys. But what you get online, let me show you how this looks. So let's stick right here for a second. You get their seal of approval. So you're going to get this thumbs up next to your listing, and they're going to get you more views because you're part of this program. And let me go over here and show you what it looks like. I just did a random search here in Los Angeles, and you can see right here at the top, like the third hotel down is part of the Preferred Partner Program. See that yellow thumbs up? They're part of the Preferred Partner Program. This hotel, Hollywood Historic Hotel, they're also part of the Preferred Partner Program. And if you put your mouse over this little thumb here, it's going to tell you a little bit more about the program. It's, it stands for excellence. The hotel's committed to providing outstanding service. And the commonality you're going to find with all these hotels that are in the program is they have high review scores. So your review score needs to be high, or you're not going to get in this program. So let me go back and show you a little bit about how this program is going to work for you guys. Like I said, they claim they're going to get you 65% more views, and you get 20% more reservations by being in this program. So what this program basically does, if your hotel's got good review scores and you join this program, you're going to get moved up in the search results. So let me go back to that list of hotels in Los Angeles and show you what I mean. These hotels are in the third and fourth spot in Los Angeles. And there's 813 properties for the search that I did in LA. And these hotels are number 3 and 4. Now, I doubt that they would be that high in the sort order in the top 4 hotels if they weren't part of this Preferred Partner Program. So this program is going to get you moved up in the search results. That's where more of your bookings are going to come from. Being moved up in the search results, people find you quicker, and obviously your review scores are good with that thumbs up signal next to it. It's kind of a nice advertising tag for your hotel. You're going to get booked more often, so that's where those 20% more reservations come from. So the program, scrolling down here, it tells you what the status is for this property and, what it takes to get in the program. There's 3 different criteria here. The first thing is external prices. So your pricing, if you scroll over there, it kind of tells you a little bit about it. Your pricing needs to be competitive. And what that means, and it ties in the same thing with this performance score down here. You can't have rates that are a lot different on different channels. So what they're requiring for you is they're requiring that your property rates on booking.com be in line with the rest of the OTAs like Expedia and be in line with your website. If you've got a 10% offer going on Expedia and you don't have anything running on booking.com, that's going to make a big difference in your pricing. You're not going to be available for this program. And they shop this stuff all the time. And they give you a performance score based on your pricing. And that's where this second criteria is. And you can scroll over that little icon to read more about it. But your performance score, if it's too far below what they want, they're going to dock you for it. You're not going to be eligible for the program. So you can see this hotel, their pricing is competitive, which is good. That means they're eligible for the program. They've got a good performance score. The issue that they're having right now is their review score. The review score at this property is a 6.9. Booking.com requires you to be at least at a 7.0. 7.0 is pretty high. And like they mentioned there before, only 30% of the hotels online have the chance to join the preferred partner program. So this hotel is real close to being the top 30%. And once they're there, we're going to join. Now, what it takes, what it costs you to be in this program, you get charged an extra 3% of all the bookings that come in for commission. So if your commission's currently 15% on booking.com, which most properties are, you're going to be paying 18% commission. But what you're getting in return is you're getting placed up higher in the search result and you're getting reservations. And I can tell you for a fact, I have other hotels that I've signed up for this program. You will definitely get more bookings for your hotel when you do this. Now, the nice thing about the program, and you can click on this area right here that says find out more, and it'll tell you a little bit more in depth about the program. You can opt out of this anytime. So if you're in it for a week and you decide you don't like it, you can get out of it. Obviously, a week wouldn't be long enough to find out. You're going to have to go for at least a month to try to figure out if this program works for you. And one thing, let me go back down here. So they tell you down here at the bottom a little bit of a summary about this preferred set. It says to join preferred, your external prices need to be competitive. External prices are prices for your property somewhere on the internet that isn't booking.com. For example, your own website or another travel provider. So just like I mentioned, Expedia, other OTAs, they can't be priced a lot differently than your hotel. So this hotel's looking good. The only thing is they're probably like a review or two away from being in the preferred program. And now my opinion on this program, not everybody should join it. You can join it and find out if it works for you. I think hotels, and I mentioned this before about other programs under this tab here, this Boost Performance tab, and I think I mentioned this about the Genius program when I did my Genius video. Same thing for the Preferred Partner program. If your hotel is in a small town or a small section of the United States or somewhere else overseas, and you've only competing with about 5 or 6 other properties, joining this program, in my opinion, is not going to help you because you're already moved up on the search results as high as you can get. This program is to move you up in a city, and let me go back to the example here, like Los Angeles, that has 813 properties. Everybody wants to be in that top spot. You want to be, when somebody clicks on Los Angeles and they start scrolling here, this is where you want to be. This is where you want your hotel to be. And it's really, really, really tough to get there. It's not who's priced the lowest. It all has to revolve around review scores, photos, all that stuff. And if you can get your hotel moved up from, like, let's say, all the way, down here and get yourself moved up on the first page to right here, huge difference, huge difference. And that's what this program is going to do for you. It's going to get you recognized, and it might even get you moved up a couple pages. So let's say you're, obviously, if you scroll down here to the bottom, you can only go through so many hotels on this first page. If you scroll down here and you got to go to the second page, if your hotel's on this second page right here, and you want to get moved back to this first page by being in the preferred program, definitely worth it. definitely worth the extra 3% commission. And like I said, if you don't like it, you can opt out. You can always opt back in at a later time. But you're going to have to get your review scores up to acceptable level, and you got to have your pricing straightened out. So that's pretty much about all I wanted to mention about the preferred program. Pretty simple program. One other thing I'd like to mention is any customer can book your hotel. They don't have to sign in to be in this to book your hotel. There's no special requirements like a login from a customer. There's nothing required like that. They just simply click on you. It's just an advertising piece for your hotel to get you moved up. And I think it works really well, like I said, in hotels with big cities. Smaller sections of the United States where there's not many hotels, like desolate areas, maybe a collection of hotels off a highway. Not really. I don't think it's going to help much. It's more for hotels that, have a lot of competition, that are fighting for, the top spot amongst, hundreds of other properties like these hotels in Los Angeles. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I got more videos coming out on booking.com and the OTAs. And please share this video with your friends, any of your colleagues. Let them take a look. And I've got plenty of other videos that I've talked about in the past with booking.com and Expedia on how to get you moved up in the search results and how to make you more money. Stay tuned, more to come.